Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to unfreeze your credit using Credit Karma. This is helpful if you're applying for credit and need lenders to access your credit report again. First, open the Credit Karma app or go to the Credit Karma website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and look for the Credit or Identity section. From there, find the option related to credit freeze or identity monitoring. Next, tap or click on the Credit Freeze option. You'll see the current status of your credit, whether it's frozen or unfrozen. If your credit is currently frozen, select the option to unfreeze it. Credit Karma may ask you to verify your identity by entering a PIN, password, or completing a security check. After confirming, submit the request to unfreeze your credit. The change is usually processed quickly, and in most cases, your credit will be unfrozen within minutes. Once it's complete, you should see a confirmation message showing that your credit is now unfrozen and available to lenders. And that's how you unfreeze your credit on Credit Karma. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.